Okay, what have we got here? We've now got three fairly standard readers that are found out in the marketplace. One's a little old, but with a very popular SDID RFID read unit in the top there. We've got a Barracuda Tag Runner and a Scion WAP3. We can also see on that bench the new cable tie from Ealrsmere. A lump of dirty old steel, and that's what we're going to tag. So now we're just placing that tag on that steel, and if you give me 2 minutes I'm just going to wrap that round. And there you go, it's on. It's giving us a really nice tight flush finish and a really secure fitting. So let's take the common SDID SD card reader there, popularly used in the lifting equipment industry, and we're going to turn the device on. Must have gone to sleep. Okay, we just need to initialize the reader, and we're in read mode, so let's just see what kind of read distance we get here. And you've got to say that's pretty good, guys. Okay, let's pick up the Barracuda Tag Runner. Just turn that on and just move up slightly and see if we can get a good angle. Oh, look at that read. That is just superb. We're going to try now with the Scion WAP3. Maybe a little more difficult one-handed operation. Whoops-a-daisy. Okay, there we go. Oh, we've got our software running here. So let's just go and scan an asset. Hit the scan button, searching for the tag, and we've got that. Asset not found because it's a piece of dirty old steel, and we'll just try again for good measure. So that's three different readers, one RFID cable tie on a piece of dirty old steel, and let's just look at it on something sensible. Here we can see a Crosby shackle, traditional Lola colour coding tie wrap on there, and nicely living alongside is the RFID cable tie. And let's just come back to the SDID reader. Initialize that reader again, and we're just going to go in there and read that tag for that old inspection.